How to reduce the number of app notifications to save battery life in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. After clicking on notifications, here you can see all the list of apps. Now simply click on an app you want to turn off your notification. Now simply turn off notifications. Turn off notifications, it will be help you to save your battery life in iPhone 16e. So this is the way to reduce number of app notifications in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.